I mean, look, here's the thing. Um, One of the things I fear about a non-Salesforce platform is that if I go to a place that has a singular model that I have to use, and I commit to that model, the chances of another model bypassing that model and skip stepping, like it's just there's a very high likelihood that's going to happen. And so the thing that Salesforce is talking about right now is the agentic workforce, and that's an appropriate message. It's an exciting message. It's the right message. The thing I don't think they beat their chest about enough is that they have a platform for AI that I can go and I can plug in ChatGPT or Claude or Llama or Gemini or my own that I've rolled my own, or I can take a small language model and plug, and they all can get plugged into that agentic layer of Salesforce. And then all of the Salesforce data that then becomes available, which by the way is not just data inside Salesforce itself. They have Data Cloud, which allows you essentially to grab data from wherever. They have MuleSoft connectors that allow you to get data from, I mean, I can't imagine a place it can't connect to. And they have something called a zero retention, zero copy model. So what they do is they go out, they grab the data, they create metadata, they bring it in, they process all of it, do it, but they don't force you to store it, which means they don't force you to pay for it inside of Salesforce. And so it creates a very high level of trust and a very cost effective way of going to process data, right? And you don't have to have all of it in one place. So if you want to have a data lake on your own, if you want to have, like, I've really drunk the Kool-Aid on this particular architecture because you can keep your data wherever you want. And it's able to go grab it from wherever, process it using whatever engine you want to use. If you want to use Salesforce's engine, thumbs up, should do that. And so therefore, we use our engine where it's highly autonomous and highly customized and highly protected because it's patient data for us. And so they give me that flexibility to not have to like use only their stuff. It's almost it's not open source, but it has that same feeling of like I have so much flexibility. And I think that's going to be one of the keys for a company like Salesforce, where they have a platform that's essentially, I don't want to call it open platform because you got to get into it, but it really is a platform that allows you to play with it however you need to play with it to make your business work.